Do you get stuck trying to ask a story in your class? Today I've got you covered with 5 ways you can start a story in your class. My name is Scott, and you're watching Immediate Immersion. We'll be right back. Number 5. Use a script. This is the easiest way to ask a story in class. You'll write out a complete story script with a character, problem, attempt to solve a problem, and finally a solution. You'll highlight or underline variables in your story. These are the parts that can change depending on your students. In class, you'll ask leading questions to fill in your variables. In this way, the same script can result in a different story for each class. Number 4. Use a storyboard. Storyboards are a great way to ask a story on training wheels. Create a 4 or 6 frame storyboard using Google Slides and clip art. I create a single frame on each slide and then use the slides during class to ask a story. The storyboards are generic enough so that the class can still make them their own, but also provide needed scaffolding to make asking the story easier. Number 3. Create a movie talk. Movie talks are another great way to scaffold a story. I choose a short video, usually 3 to 5 minutes, and take screenshots of key scenes. I copy each screenshot to a different slide in Google Slides. During class, I'll use the slide deck to ask the details of the story with the students, and at the end, I'll show them the final video. Number 2. Use a picture. I love finding a funny or cultural picture to use to jumpstart a story. You can search for funny animals, funny babies, awkward family photos, famous art, or even cultural images. You'll start by asking questions to describe the image, and then you'll work your way into finding a problem to solve to jumpstart your story. Students like talking about these images and have fun making stories out of them. And number 1, create a character. The most fun way to ask a story with your students is to start by creating a character. Ask leading questions to create a main character for your story. What is it? Where does it live? What does it look like? How old is it? Etc. Once you have a character developed, ask the students to give it a problem, and you've got the start of a great story. So there you have it, 5 ways to start a class story. If you found value in today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more language teaching videos. Want to watch more? Click here to check out our latest video, or here to see what YouTube has picked out for you. Happy comprehensible input!